Look at that big old carp. Let me try to catch one. Go. I got him. Whoa, got one. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Just had a good rain, so hopefully there's some big fish out there. And let's get right into the video. Thanks for watching. What's up, guys? We're over here. It just rained. There's some gar everywhere. It flooded. I just saw a gar pop up right there, so I got some bait. We're gonna try to catch some gar, so make sure to stay tuned. Gar, just got it right here. It's on the side right there. He just moved the cork. See if he takes it right there. Man, I just spooked like 3 or 4 gar already. There's a gar right there, guys. You can see him. He's right there. He's a big one. Just throw one right there. There's gar right there. There they are. It's like they don't even want it. There's like a whole family. There they are right there. Oh, I thought I had one. You can see them right there. They're going. They're right there. You can see them. Where'd they go? There he goes. I'm gonna let him take all the slack down. I'm gonna set the hook. Here we go. I got him. Is this a turtle or a... Let's see what this... I don't know what this is. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a channel cat. Let's let this little guy go. There he goes. Now let's catch a real gar. What's up, guys? We're back out here today. Just had a really good rain. It just rained really good. Still dark way out there. So make sure to stay tuned. Guys, look at all these fish. You can just see them. Look at all of them. Look at that big old carp. Let me try to catch one. Guys, these fish are everywhere right there. Oh, we got it. Look at all these fish. It's just flooded full of carp, guys. Oh no, my bait's gone. Here we go, here we go. I just threw some bread out there on a treble hook. Already taking it. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, I want you to switch off from a treble hook. It might be too small. They're taking it. I found out what they like now. Let's do a smaller piece where they could just eat it. Literally seconds, guys. Just throw it out there. That lightning's really bad over here. Just let them take it. Whoa, got one. Let's see what this is, guys. Oh, catfish. There's one catfish. Just threw one out there. There's so many baby catfish over here. It's hard to catch a big fish. throw it right here. Just keep taking the bait. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I caught 2 other catfish, but my camera didn't record it. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.